Hi, good morning. Welcome to the restaurant of Fairmont Chateau at here in Quebec City. And this is the part of the Hotel Glance. It is located in Quebec City for their tourism one-day cave spot and full of ice cube sizes. As you can see, pag nag-enter kayo dito, nandito lahat. Meron sila iba't ibang pwedeng mga adventures site dito katulad ng hotel bar, then yung wine table, and then meron silang hotel and restaurant na pero akala mo totoo pero ito gawa lahat sa cube na ice. So very grateful tayo dahil nabigyan tayo ng opportunity to go here at bisitahin itong ice igloo restaurant. Very exciting when you feel the parang nasa loob ka talaga ng freezer. Talaga pagpasok so meron din dito yan, napapalibutan siya ng iba't ibang klase ng ice cube, ice cubicle, and then may iba't iba rin silang mga iba pang mga spot such as pag sa slide ng sa snow, and then ganda ng pagkagawa ng structure nila. In fact, ito ay kala mo ay pero all about this ice cold surroundings and ambience. Yan, in fact, na-try natin umupo dyan, and then yan, katulad nito at iba-ibang designs ng ice, and then yung highlights at yung fire lamp para na pwede nating magkaroon ng sightseeing, picture taking, and other fun memories only here in the ice cube surrounding. So in fact, na-try natin dito mag sitting dito sa Finlandia. Yan, maganda rin yung kanilang pag-blow up. Then dyan, pwede rin tayo mag-selfie sa snow. And then, pwede tayong mag-picture taking dyan as group or family and friends together with our loved ones. So, i-reminisce na the moments and highlights only here in Hotel Glance. And so, that's all for today's fun and activities only here in Bora Park in Quebec City. So, until here for now, thank you, and we'll see you again next soon. This is Fave Girl at Winter Wonderland, Canada. Bye!